So Bitcoin is sitting at 60,331 right now, as you can see. And the overall situation of Bitcoin, it is kind of becoming clearer right now. As I had previously shared in the video, the support was at $57,000, and I told you that as long as that holds, you can expect it to continue with its journey towards $62,000. Yesterday we saw it at 61,800, so that is almost $62,000. It had a reaction there. It is 61,820. So it is a good reaction at that point, and after that, of course, it dropped. Now the overall angle, if you are looking at it, which direction Bitcoin is going to take, I'm looking at it on 30 minutes. So this is not going to be the most important structure that we are seeing, but you see it is a double top that is forming right now over here. So if it breaks below this area, which is, just a second, 59,750, if it goes below this area, then this thing is going to bleed. It is going to go and land back on $58,000. That will be the first landing point for Bitcoin. But of course, for Bitcoin to turn bullish again, for its overall situation, which is this kind of mini rally from the drop, for this rally, Bitcoin needs to go and start living above 60,700. Right now, it is below it. It's kind of getting out of the uptrend line, but it is not confirmed. It will be pretty much confirmed the moment it breaks this line and it goes down. Then it will be heading towards $58,000, which means it will go lower than this, and this overall structure will break, and then the structure will aim to test $57,000 one more time, and after $57,000 I'll be able to tell you that where are we heading. But for this case scenario to go bullish from here, Bitcoin first needs to hold 60,300. If it could manage and stay above it, then we can say it can head towards $62,000 and then maybe break this time. If that doesn't happen, then what will happen is that Bitcoin will end up creating this double top, and then it will break. Now, the reason I said this double top is not very reliable is just because of the fact that this is on 30 minutes. It's not on 4 hours. On 4 hours, the double top actually completes. The double top actually completes on $58,000. So this is not even a double top; it's a very ugly one. So it completes at 58,500. Yeah, so that's where your double top completes on 4 hour, which means that then it can shoot it down towards $57,000 easily, and we can go and test $57,000. But that's the overall case scenario with Bitcoin. So far, Bitcoin is holding its upper trend. It is not bearish whatsoever. We can't call it bearish yet. But these are the indications that can tell you that Bitcoin can drop down. And I wanted to share with you what is happening on a smaller time frame versus the larger time frame. On larger time frame, of course, from the drop that we saw on $56,000, this thing is still holding its uptrend. It hasn't broken, but the moment the double top that I mentioned, it happens and it goes down to 58, the uptrend on the 4 hour, this will break, and then of course we will be closer to achieving our double top on the 4 hours as well, and then it will start getting bearish. But it is too early to say, because right now market has a lot of volatility. With time it will develop, and you will know that which scenario it is picking, because I have shared the case scenario with you. Above 60,300, you can expect it to still continue to go to $62,000. If it goes below 60,300 and it ends up completing the double top on 30 minutes time frame, then it is going to drop towards 57.